Problem set 3 question A, sum of 1 to n natural numbers. 1 to n natural number is 36. Find the value of n. So 1 to n natural numbers are it's told 1 to n, last is n. So 1, 2, 3, 4, dash, dash, dash up to n. N may be 5, n may be 6, n may be 8, n may be 12. That n we have to find. And what is given? It is a peak. We can see A is 1 first term, D is T2 minus T1, 2 minus 1 is 1, and Tn is n, last term is n, and Sn is given 36. Sn, sum of n terms, 1 to n terms, is 36. To find n, which formula to use? To find n, there are two methods. Sn formula n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or Sn formula n by 2 bracket a plus tn, t1 plus tn. Meaning is the same. So we are using now Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn value is given 36, very small number. N by 2 bracket 2a plus a value is known, so a value should be returned 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d value is also known 1. N is unknown. So 36 is equal to n by 2 bracket 2 plus n minus 1. Therefore 36 into 2 shifted is equal to n bracket 2 plus n minus 1 is n plus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, n plus 1. So what we get? N into n plus 1 is 72. N square plus n minus 72 equal to 0. Now we have to factorize this and solve quadratic equation. Negative 72 should be product. Different sign, greater will take middle term sign. 9 hexa plus 9 minus 8 will come plus 1, which we want here. Therefore n square plus 9n minus 8n minus 72 equal to 0. Therefore n into n plus 9 minus 8 into n plus 9 equal to 0. N plus 9, n minus 8 equal to 0. N plus 9 is 0 or n minus 8 is 0. Therefore n is minus 9 plus 9 shifted, or n is 8. But n is what? Natural number. Minus 9 is not natural, but n is natural. Therefore it cannot be negative. Therefore n not equal to minus 9. Therefore n is equal to only and only one answer, 8. N is minus 9 or 8, but n is natural, therefore it cannot be minus 9, so n is 8. Neatly observe and write all the steps. Divide 207 in 3 parts. This total should be 207. such that all parts are in AP, means all those three parts are in AP, and product of two small parts will be 4623. Then let the three parts be. We want it in AP, and when there are three numbers in AP, what was told to you? So same we will assume A minus D, A plus D. Therefore, A minus D plus A plus A plus D, sum of all three is total 207. Minus D plus D cancelled. 3A is 207. So A is 207 upon 3. 3 6 are 18, 2 remain, 3 9s are. So what is A value? 69. Let three parts be A minus D, A plus D. So by first condition, total is 207 because 207 is only divided in three parts. A is obtained. And product of two smaller. What is two smaller? A minus D and A. And by given condition, condition means another condition. That was one condition, 207 divided in three parts. Second condition, product of two smaller part, A minus D into A is 4623. From that A value is known. Therefore, 69 minus D multiplied by 69 equal to 4623. Therefore, 69 minus D, 69 minus D equal to 4623 upon 69. Cancel first by 3. Check it. 4 and 6, 10 and 2, 12 and 3, 15 divisible by 3. 6 and 9, 15 divisible by 3. 3 2s are 3 3s are 3 1s are 3, 1 remain. 3 5s are 15, 1 remain. 3 4s are 12, nothing remain. 3 1s are 3. 69 minus D is equal to 1541 upon 23. Now 23 table you must know, then only you can be able to solve it. You can solve only if you know the table of 23. 23 6 are 138. Check it. 23 6 are 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are 12 and 1 13. 23 6 are 138. From 154 138 subtracted. 14 minus 8 6. This become 4. 16 remain. 161. 23 7s are 161. So 23 table if you know, then only you can solve it. So what we got? 67. What we got? 67. Therefore, 69 minus D is 67. Minus D is 67 minus 69. D is, or minus D is minus 2. So D is 2. D is 2. We want A minus D, A and A plus D. What is A value we got? 69. A value we got 69. D value we got 2. Therefore, A minus D equal to 69 minus 2 equal to 67. A is 69 and A plus D is 69 plus 2 is 71. Therefore, the three parts are, it is asked to divide it in three parts. And which are the three parts? That is only us. Therefore, the three parts are, three parts in which 207 divided, 67, 69 and 71. 67, 69, 71, which are in AP. Their total is 207 and product of first two smaller will be 4623. Neatly observe before writing. Question number 10. There are 37 terms in an AP. Sum of three terms placed exactly in the middle is 225 and last three term is 429. Find AP. So AP we have to assume as usual A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. And middle three terms, which are those? Last three terms, which are those? When there are five terms odd, middle is third. How to obtain middle? 5 plus 1 upon 2. Middle number. In the median, in the 9th standard, we learn all these. So, if 37 terms are there, middle number is 37 plus 1, 38 upon 2 is 19. Middle is 19 means middle 3 are 18, 19 and 20. Sum of middle 3 terms means 18th term, 19th, 20th term is 225. And last 3 term is 35, 36, 37 is 429. That you must understand. Let the first term be A and common difference be D. N is equal to 37. Therefore, middle term number is, middle term is 37 plus 1 upon 2, 38 upon 2, 19th term. Middle term is 19th. It is by median property. Median for odd number is n plus 1 upon 2 number term. Therefore, middle three terms are, exact middle is 19. So, middle three are 18, 19 and 20 are T18, T19 and T20. Then by that condition, T18, 19, 20, their addition is 225. Therefore, T18, first we write Tn formula and then we write condition. Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D. T18 plus T19 plus T20 equal to 225. Sum of three middle terms. Therefore, A plus 18 minus 1 into D, 17D, as place is less, it is very big. I am writing instead of 18 minus 1 directly 17D. T19 is A plus 19 minus 1. A plus 19 minus 1 into D. So, A plus 18D plus T20 is A plus 20 minus 1 into D, A plus 19D equal to 225. A, 3A, 17, 18, 19 total, 17 and 18, 35, 35 and 19, 54 is 225. All are divisible by 3. Dividing by 3. A plus 18D, 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 8 plus 18D is 75. Equation number 1. And by second condition, sum of last three. The last three terms are last term is 37. So 37, 36, 35. T35, T36, T37. Therefore, sum of those three is 429. A plus 34D plus A plus 36 minus 1, 35D plus A plus 36D is 429. A 3 times. 34, 35 is 69, 69 and 36 is 105 is 429. Divide by 3, all are divisible by 3, 1 plus 5 6, 4 plus 2 6 plus 9 15 are in the table of 3. Divide by 3 of course on both sides. A plus 35D equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 143. Question number 2. Now we have to solve these two parts. I will solve it over here. Neatly observe. Then we will get A and D. Then using A and D we have to write first 4 terms and then we have to write AP. So it is one of the lengthy part. Subtract 1 from 2. A plus 35D is 143. A plus 18D 75. A minus A cancel. 35 minus 18 is 17D. 13 minus 5 is 8. This becomes 3. 13 minus 7 is 6. D is 68 upon 17 equal to 4. Substitute D equal to 4 and find A. Substitute D equal to 4 in equation 1. What is equation 1? A plus 18D is 75. A plus 18 into 4 is 75. A plus 72 is 75. So A is 75 minus 72. A is 3. Neatly write all this part first, then this, then using that we have obtained D and A. Answer is not yet over. We have to write AP, means using this A and D, we have to write T1, T2, T3, T4 and then we have to write AP. Now we obtained D and A, now we have to find T1. T1 is A, how much? 3. T2 is T1 plus D. T2 is second term is first term plus D. What is first term? 3. What is D? 4. So 7. T3 is T2, whatever is obtained second term, in that add D. 7 plus 4, 11. T4 is whatever is third term T3, in that add D. 11 plus 4, 15. And so on. Therefore, the AP is, at least first 4 terms should be obtained. 3, 7, 11, 15 and so on. Write 4 term or 5 terms at the beginning, and then last term is not us, but if we want, we can find T37 also, and we can write it in. The 11th question is, if first term of AP is A, second term is B, and last term is C. How many terms is not given? Tn is C. Then show that sum of all terms means Sn, sum of n terms. If n is total terms are n, is A plus C into B plus C minus 2A upon 2 into B minus A. It is one of the very easy question, but if you do not understand the question, you cannot solve. So again I am repeating, first term is A, second term is B, and last term is Tn is C, total terms are n, and Sn equal to this we have to use. We have to use Sn formula, automatically we will get the answer. So write the AP is A first term, B second term, and C last term, Tn. First term A equal to A, common difference D is B minus A, second term minus first term. First term A equal to A. First term A equal to A. First term we are also denoting by A, here also they have given A. And last term is given Tn, and D means what? Second term minus first term, difference between two consecutive, next minus previous. First term A equal to A, D is equal to B minus A, Tn is equal to C. So use Tn and find n first, and then find Sn. Then I will write it here for your understanding. To find Sn, not to find Sn value is this. First find n. First find n. This may or may not be written. This is for your understanding. How to find n using this A, D and Tn? Use Tn formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn value is given C. A is A, n minus 1, D is B minus A. Therefore, C minus A is shifted, is equal to n minus 1 into B minus A. Therefore, n minus 1 into B minus A equal to C minus A. Therefore, n minus 1 is C minus A upon B minus A. B minus A common factor, multiple shifted. Therefore, n is, this is very important, and here many students make mistake. When minus 1 shifted, it is plus 1, is a separate integer 1. So we have to do addition by taking LCM B minus A, and this becomes C minus A plus B minus A. And therefore, what is value of n? Therefore, n is equal to C plus B, B plus C minus 2A, B plus C minus 2A upon B minus A. This is n value. B plus C minus A is minus 2A. And we got that B plus C minus 2A we required in Sn. That value we got. Now use the formula. Sn is equal to, there are two formulas, n by 2 bracket T1 plus Tn, first term plus last term, that we will use, that is easy. What is n value? B plus C minus 2A upon B minus A upon 2. B plus C minus 2A upon Denominator 2 multiplied by b minus a is 2 into b minus a. And what is T1? A. What is Tn? C. And therefore Sn is equal to a plus c is 1 into b plus c minus 2a whole divided by 2 into b minus a. I will repeat this part how it comes because some of you may not understand. For Sn there are two formula, n by 2 bracket first term plus last term. First term T1 is a. First term T1 is a. First term T1 equal to a. First term T1 equal to a. Generally we denote, and here also it is denoted by a. And last term Tn is c. So a plus c. N by 2. N is this divided by 2. This divided by 2 means multiply by half. This divided by 2 means multiply by 2 to the denominator. Divide by 2 means multiply by 2 to denominator. So n upon 2 will be, n is this. So n upon 2 will be this. N upon 2. So n upon 2 value is this, a plus c, and we got the answer. And that is only asked to do. Sn is equal to, prove that sum of n term seeds and write it in words. Therefore sum of all term seeds, total n terms are there, sum of all n term seeds, a plus c into b plus c minus 2a upon 2 into b minus a. Such a lengthy question generally do not come in exam. But this time only in this lesson big questions are possible, because from all other lessons big questions are deleted. So you can prepare for this.